If you searched how to buy shares of 1,800flowers.com, this video shows the steps to buy stock in the floral retailer 1-800flowers.com, listed on NASDAQ under the ticker FLWS. This is an educational guide only and not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker, and we'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you'll need to verify your account, typically with an identity document, and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker FLWS to find 1-800flowers.com. Select the result that matches the NASDAQ listing to open the stock page. On the stock page, you'll see basic company details, a price chart, and trading information for 1-800flowers.com. Double-check that the page shows NASDAQ and the ticker FLWS to confirm it's the correct stock. Click Investor Trade, enter the amount you want to allocate, then review the order details and confirm the purchase. If the market is closed, your order may be pending or executed as a limit order. And if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio and update with market activity. If you want to follow the exact steps, the link to eToro is in the description.